Imagine sipping on a delicious drink that not only quenches your thirst, but also boosts your body's ability to regenerate and repair itself. Sounds too good to be true? Well, get ready to be amazed as we dive into the world of beverages that can enhance stem cell regeneration. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have 8 surprising drinks to add to your daily routine for a healthier, more vibrant you. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: stem cell regeneration. Stem cells are the body's raw materials, cells from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated. They play a crucial role in maintaining and repairing cells and organ tissues. But did you know that certain drinks can actually boost your stem cell production? That's right. In this video, we'll uncover 8 surprising drinks that can help you tap into your body's natural healing power. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's get started. 1. Green tea, the antioxidant powerhouse. Green tea is well known for its numerous health benefits, but did you know it can also boost stem cell regeneration? Green tea is rich in catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been shown to enhance stem cell activity. Studies have demonstrated that EGCG can promote the proliferation and differentiation of stem cells, making green tea a fantastic addition to your daily routine. Brew a cup of green tea using high-quality loose leaves or tea bags. For an extra boost, try matcha, a powdered form of green tea that contains even higher levels of antioxidants. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more health tips and tricks. 2. Coffee. More than just a morning pick-me-up. Coffee lovers, rejoiced. Your favorite morning brew does more than just wake you up. Coffee contains chlorogenic acid, a compound that has been shown to improve metabolism and activate health defenses, including stem cell regeneration. Drinking 2 to 3.5 cups of coffee per day can lower the risk of all-cause mortality by 30%, thanks to its ability to enhance stem cell counts and overall health. Opt for freshly brewed coffee made from high-quality beans. Avoid adding too much sugar or cream to keep it healthy. Share this video with your coffee-loving friends and let them know about this amazing benefit. 3. Milk tea, a comforting boost. Milk tea, a popular beverage in many cultures, can also contribute to stem cell regeneration. The combination of tea and milk provides a unique blend of nutrients and phytochemicals that support stem cell health. While green tea and black tea are both excellent choices, adding milk can enhance the absorption of certain beneficial compounds. Brew your favorite tea and add a splash of milk or a dairy-free alternative. Experiment with different flavors and types of tea to find your perfect blend. Leave a comment below with your favorite type of milk tea and how you like to prepare it. 4. Pomegranate juice, the heart-healthy elixir. Pomegranate juice is not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and polyphenols that support stem cell regeneration. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice can improve blood flow and enhance the body's ability to repair and regenerate tissues. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to boost their stem cell health naturally. Drink a glass of pure pomegranate juice daily. Add pomegranate juice to smoothies or mix it with sparkling water for a refreshing twist. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. 5. Dark chocolate drink, a decadent delight. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate, especially those high in flavonols, can increase stem cell levels and lower the risk of heart attack or stroke by 39%. The key is to choose dark chocolate with a high cocoa content and minimal added sugars. You can enjoy this treat as a hot chocolate drink or add cocoa powder to your smoothies for a delicious and health-boosting beverage. Make a hot chocolate using unsweetened cocoa powder, a natural sweetener, and your choice of milk. Add a spoonful of cocoa powder to your morning smoothie for a chocolatey twist. What's your favorite way to enjoy dark chocolate? Let us know in the comments below. 6. Ginger tea, the spicy healer. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that can support stem cell health. Ginger tea, made from fresh or dried ginger root, can help reduce inflammation and promote the body's natural healing processes. It's also great for digestion and can provide soothing relief from sore throats and nausea. Brew ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add a touch of honey and lemon for extra flavor and health benefits. If you love ginger tea, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. 7. Turmeric latte, the golden elixir. Turmeric, the golden spice, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric lattes, also known as golden milk, combine turmeric with milk and other spices to create a delicious and health-boosting drink. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to increase stem cell proliferation and differentiation, making this drink a powerful addition to your diet. Mix turmeric powder with warm milk, a pinch of black pepper, and a natural sweetener. Add other spices like cinnamon and ginger for extra flavor and health benefits. Have you tried a turmeric latte before? Share your experience in the comments below. 8. Beetroot juice, the natural energizer. Beetroot juice is a fantastic source of nitrates, which can improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to tissues. This can enhance the body's ability to repair and regenerate cells, including stem cells. Beetroot juice is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a great choice for overall health. Drink a glass of fresh beetroot juice daily. Add beetroot juice to your smoothies for a nutrient-packed boost. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to share it with your friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Let's recap the 8 surprising drinks that can boost stem cell regeneration. 1. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which may help protect stem cells from damage and promote their regeneration. Studies suggest that the epigallocatechin 3 gallate, EGCG, in green tea can enhance the proliferation and differentiation of stem cells. 2. Coffee. Coffee contains caffeine and antioxidants like chlorogenic acid, which may support stem cell regeneration. Some research indicates that coffee consumption may improve the function of mesenchymal stem cells, which are involved in tissue repair and regeneration. 3. Milk tea. Milk tea, especially when made with green or black tea, may offer similar stem cell boosting benefits as plain tea due to its catechin content. The milk in the tea may also provide additional nutrients like calcium and protein that support overall cellular health. 4. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, particularly ellagitannins, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may protect and promote stem cell regeneration. Animal studies suggest that pomegranate juice may enhance the proliferation and differentiation of neural stem cells. 5. Dark chocolate drink. Dark chocolate is high in flavonoids, especially epigallocatechin, which may support stem cell regeneration by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Drinking a dark chocolate beverage may also improve blood flow and nutrient delivery to stem cells. 6. Ginger tea. Ginger contains gingerols and shogals, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that may protect stem cells from damage. Some studies suggest that ginger extract may promote the proliferation and differentiation of neural stem cells. 7. Turmeric latte. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that may support stem cell regeneration. Drinking a turmeric latte, which combines turmeric with milk or a plant-based alternative, may provide additional nutrients and enhance the absorption of curcumin. 8. Beetroot juice. Beetroots are rich in nitrates, which can improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to stem cells, supporting their regeneration. Beetroot juice is also high in betalains, antioxidants that may protect stem cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can help support your body's natural healing processes and promote overall health. While these drinks may have potential stem cell boosting properties, more research is needed to fully understand their effects in humans. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Remember, a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle are key to maintaining optimal stem cell function. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these drinks are you most excited to try? Do you have any other favorite beverages that you think might boost stem cell health? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the word about these amazing health-boosting drinks. And as always, stay healthy and stay hydrated. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.